Hello. Welcome back to the stream. Put it in Discord again.
2 in 1 day. $24 views the last 60 minutes? More than usual.
Two for?
24.
No, I'm saying for,
Well. This video, the most recent video isn't doing too bad. Already at 140.
Yeah, I think it's gonna pick back up.
Yeah, it's very upward trend still.
The Oracle sees.
The Oracle. Yeah, it's still mostly pushing to subscribers. Yeah.
I summon TCD. I'll be here in 2 minutes. I believe it.
Accidentally just signed out. No.
Signed out of what?
My Google account.
Oh no.
I actually remembered my password. Huh.
Hey, Comical. Thanks for the like.
Was not me. I'm signed out of my account.
Well, whoever liked it, thank you. First dollar. There
Oh
we
yeah,
go.
they can do like super chats and stuff.
Yep, it's a goal for one of any amount. Hey, comical. Thanks for the like.
No problem. Shout out to that one guy that told me about put S. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I needed to run the code. I need to see if it worked. Should all work. E 100. Which do you want? We'll take keyboard warrior. Y. Which move do we want to forget? Smell my belly button. V. V. There's a problem here. One bug. Seems to be a bug. The add move function. Choose a move number. Yeah, let's run this again. JB 100 1 why and right. Okay, you run into a guy. Smells like onions. V. V. Hmm. Offer move. Oh, we need to do an else.
Only Angel Crisis. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
How are we doing? You guys agree? Assuming are great. Thank you. You meant that? Yeah.
Another picking function here. Okay. I have a picking function up here. And is picking. True. I think I have that defined. I'll just do true. And then we'll just in here. It's true. Also, turn here. I need to do picking equals false. Okay, cool. We got the conditionals working. So that bug shouldn't happen anymore. Save all this. There was like a macro where you could just save all your files at once.
That's probably good, actually. I never really thought about that.
Okay. Oh, I always mess up this way, actually. I think I remember. I never put the get input in the while loop. Both coding in a single screen? Yeah. I know, we've upgraded the production value. You got the komi cam on the big screen right now. And then my camera's the little screen.
We got Discord stream. The stream of a stream.
Yeah. I can't do anything else on my computer. But yeah. Tommy's coding on the big screen, I'm coding on the little screen. I'm like this little Subway Surfers guy in the corner. How long have you been doing this thing? Well, we streamed like 2 hours ago. And the stream went really well. We streamed for like 2 hours. So we were like, we're going to stream again.
I think he meant how long we've been working on the projects.
Oh, 9 days. We are at 9. Oh, we're not pro, but you know, yeah. Call me can show you his. His is nice.
Yeah. Right now I have like it's like Rogue, like 1980s Rogue, if you're familiar.
Let me hide my screen for a second. There we go.
Here, let me show you the actual. I'm working on the enemy system right now, but screen. There we go. Yeah, dungeon. Oh, I don't think I can compile right now. I think it's kind of a mess. Yeah. Oh my goodness. But there's supposed to be a fog of war system that isn't on right now. They're experienced. We've been doing this for like 2 years. Like, it's not crazy. If you read the C book, the C programming language, second edition, which is allegedly online as a PDF, if you just look up the title, you'll be fine.
And if you're very new to programming, I suggest C#, the C# Player's Guide 5th edition by R.B. Whittaker. That makes learning the very basics of programming fun.
Yeah. Both bangers.
Yeah. And if you're crazy, read the C++ primer. 5th edition.
I would not do that first. Game, let's see, okay. I don't want to get stuck with web dev alone, so exploring C++. Right now, unemployed as hell? Okay. Lucky guy.
Hey,
Or unlucky, I don't know. But I wish I was unemployed.
at least you know. You know, the first step of getting out of web dev is knowing. What'd you do? With front end, back end, full stack? Hey, that's more
Worked
work.
for a year?
That's more work than I've done. So, in this
Yeah, me
case,
too.
you've got more employment than me.
Full stack dev. For a year, the company died. Oh,
Oh, I'm
dang.
sorry. That's horrible. I'm sorry.
The 2 months now? Still hurting. Yeah. Oh, hunting. Yeah, I have not touched the job market yet, but I am scared to. So we start handcraft games. So hopefully we can make our own jobs. It's easier than getting one, right?
From battle. Player.
Guys into game dev? Yes, we are. We usually do Godot, but we're doing C right now just for fun and a video and to get better at programming. So we're only doing this for like until the end of the week, pretty much.
Yep.
And then we're gonna release a video about it. And then we're gonna go back to Godot. We're gonna go back to the one game we're working on, the like Valve polish video. It's fun. We realized that like we were biting a little more off than we could chew with that game, so we just wanted to get better.
Get uncomfortable.
Only a little bit uncomfortable, not like as uncomfortable as we were.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, what are the... Oh, oops.
What am I typing here?
Main.c.
Player name thing did this much damage.
Oops.
Exclamation point. Then we need to pass through player chud name and player move dot power. Then later what I'll do is a damage calculation and kind of get that working. But for now, we're just trying to get this working. Here, we're going to do this. We're going to do enemy chud and enemy move. Cool. Where do I run the battle? It's in the room function somewhere, surely. I think it's in the enter room function.
I'm gonna have a circular dependency, I think.
In here we will run run battle. Player. Winner to the player. Then in here, let's do player. I'm gonna just do and sign player. Fine. Do it your way, see? Okay. Nice. So I need to change in room. Each. Dude, what song is this? This is a good song. Oh, Halo.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
banger.
I was like, I remember this one. I just don't remember. Should be good to compile. Anywhere needs a save room. Somewhere I forgot to save. I can feel it. Game state. Okay, room. Oh, init room. Let's go. So it's something with the init room. Hold on. Oh, do I just do this, I think? I love pointers. Pointers. Everywhere. No, I don't even. Oh my. Yeah, there we go. Dude, they're gonna be like, they're gonna look at my source code and be like, why did this guy use so many pointers?
But you can see.
So many. It's like hundreds. I think. Oh, I just need to add them to GameState.h.
I think I want to get the item generation outside of the map generation.
Yeah, that might be good.
I'll just put it in the game one. Because that function for map generate is 200 lines long, and I kind of want to start ripping stuff out of it.
There's a banana man. Banana man. Wait, did I choose? Oh. Okay. Okay, so what happened here? Let's go to run battle. Choose a move. Okay, let's run it again. Why does it go to game over instantly? Um. Wow. If let's print here. Okay. What's your name? GB. How much do you weigh? 1 pound. Let's take FF. Yes, 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 yes. 1. Somewhere in the get move function. Hmm. Okay. Huh. It's crashing right here. Yeah. Okay. What is happening with this function? Size picking equals 0. Huh. It's like, okay, let's go line by line. Do, 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 do. Hmm. I think it's this line. I think I need to do that because I switched the move ID. I have to like set the move ID to be like so. I have to do this. So like we're gonna do move displayed. We do displayed move display move. That works. Equals. And then we just do get move by ID. And then we just grab this part of this. Then here, we're going to print this and then display move dot name. Perfect. Should compile now.
I just realized my game struct is basically a giant list of global variables, basically.
Oh. Yeah, I'm a bit of a object-oriented programming enjoyer. This should
I never realized that until now.
Should,
Because I just kept adding to it.
Stink Blast. Okay. We have some problems. Let's do this. Flash in, and then we're gonna do the enemy chud.hp. So going to And then we gotta pass through enemy chud.name, comma.
I guess I only really use game in like main and game, so it's not that bad actually. And like map, player, enemy, screen has its own like parts.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not as bad as I thought.
Okay. Then I need to copy this. Let's do this real quick. Did I get... Sorry. Well, I need to see if it works working. And then I can fix that bug. 100. We're going to take Banana Man. Okay, yes, 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 yes. We will take Stink Blast and replace it with Keyboard Smash, sure. Okay. So it's Hot Dog Fighter versus Keyboard Man? No, Banana Man. Okay. Hot Dog Fighter has 100 HP. Banana Man, 0 damage. Why did I do 0 damage? 2. Let's make this slightly more clear. How's everyone's night going?
Hi, which graphics library / API are you using? Good old standard C. That's it. We're making a terminal-based game, so I'm making something based off Rogue, and he's making like a text adventure. That's Pokemon themed.
Well, kinda Pokemon themed.
Pokemon themed if it was a chuds.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What's it done? Game done. Alright.
I was stick 0 dealt damage. Okay. But why are my moves dealing 0 damage, but his moves are also dealing 0 damage?
Doing a bit of refactoring right now. That's when my compiler explodes every time.
Huh. Yeah, I'm not a smart guy. We're just gonna write it like this so I make sure I don't mess it up. Minus. Yeah, I think that should work. Just so we don't mess it up. CD. Compile. Game. I had my damage calculation backwards. Oh, I broke my game again. I keep pressing the good old. Oh. JB. 100. We want Banana Man. Yes. 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 Sure. Okay. Keyboard smash. 2, 3, 4. Or belt damage. I'm not calculating this right. There's something I'm not doing right for calculations. It's gotta be the way I'm grabbing the moves. That's for sure the problem. Like, pass through the chudbud here. It's fine. I'll fix it later. Once I get it working, I'll refactor.
Nice. Okay. Works now.
Let's print them all. Print.
And now we have to spawn everything.
Let's do a little print here that says. Oh, we need to print that. Alright, let me get print because we want to grab the. Need to find a better way to display both our screens. Like, still make it seeable.
I don't know.
How far development is
How
this?
far?
You can answer.
I don't know. Every day is the same.
9 days. We've been developing for 9 days.
Okay. Forgot.
You do game programming at all? ZZ? We feel that.
Yes, often. I just don't finish projects. Yes. You're. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We get that one.
This project will be finished though. Making good progress, I think. Oh. I can hear myself through your mic.
Oh, interesting. Big slap. Why did it deal 0?
Oh.
Why is it dealing 0 damage?
Okay. That's why. Oops. Pass the memory address. Yep. Nice. Look at that.
Oh, nice. Looks good.
The item spawning is fully decoupled from the map generation now.
That's the way to do it.
It was getting problematic.
Yeah.
Nice. Now we can do enemy generation.
Move dot name. I don't know. Let's debug here. JB 100. Oh, I didn't save. I was very confused. I said, wait. Where'd all my changes go? I'm doing like the just debugging a bunch of print text, so it's not very entertaining.
Okay.
Like, because I gotta figure out where the problem is.
I'm making money moves right now.
Okay. You know what it is? It's not converting my integer into a move. I'm not getting the move. For the picked move. Right. If I pick one, but if I... Okay, hold on, let me pick 2 first. That might be the problem. Because it might be subtracting my integer. Because I switched this to I switched it to an integer. So let me pick like 4 here. No. It's not printing the name or the power. Huh. We'll figure this out. It's got to be in the get move function. There's something wrong. Let's print pick move here. Nope. Just won't work. $100. Sure. 4. Okay. Keyboard smash. Choose a move. So we print. So it prints keyboard smash. Let's make sure it's printing here now. Let's see now. Debug. Saved. Okay. Hmm. There's something happening here that's not grabbing. Okay, well I know the problem now. That's good. Something in this. Something in this. Something in this line. Somewhere here. It's forgetting picked move. Because I don't initialize it. I should initial it. Let me try that. Let me just do this. Oh, it's initialized up here. Wait. It's because I put a type there? That could be it. I've just solved it. I think I did.
Oh, oops.
Reads it? Yes. Okay, that's big. It reads it. Now it's just a damage calculation error. So it's just this line. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But I've got it down to a line. Or down to a function. That's big. Uh-oh. Hopefully that didn't break our live stream. Oh, we good. We good. We still up. Okay, wait. I know. I just need to be type specific on my pass-through here. So it needs to just point to target and point to move, right? No? And then, yeah, just like this. Like, boom. We don't need to point to move. Because that we're just grabbing the move. And then, boom. I think I got it. We might be over the hill. Oh no. uh Expected. These are both chudbuds, right? Is it like this? Yeah. Very cool. There we go. Yes! Okay, wait, there's a problem. Why does it go back to the battle state? Oh. I have to type like V? I don't remember. Oh, okay. So it's like kind of working. There's like a couple problems, but I've got the battle. The battle is working. Um, Very cool. So there's a couple problems. The first one is in the level up function. We've got. Here's the problem. Yep. There we go. That one is fixed. Now when we level up, it'll get the HP back up. And okay. What was the other problem? Something with the. You can just press yes on the selecting your chudbud. Not at all. Just for some reason. Uh, no. Do some testing. If I go here and do this. Okay. And then I just do like 7, 6, 5, 4, E. Okay. So why can I press T? very confused on why. Yeah, hold on, let's print this. The starter. Okay, let's see what's going on here.
Oh.
So it's 0. Okay, that's interesting. So why is it letting you pick when it's 0? I don't know. Um, 0 is less than. Pick 0 is less than. And I guess we could do like a little. This checker. Starter choice num does not equal 0. Oh, no. Sure, let's try that. JB 100 B. Yes, fixed it. Very cool.
Ooh, yes. There we go. Except it's bugged a little bit. What is going on with that?
Logic is working. Now what I need to do is figure out how to store the data for the different move. Well, because I'm not doing AI, I'm doing just predefined move sets. So I got to figure out how to store the data for the predefined move sets. The entire battle system is done, and then I can move on to different move logic. And then I'm almost there. And then it's just making the game. Oh, man. That took so much debugging.
Mine too, actually. I'm almost done. I just have this weird check it out. I got it working, except it likes to
Flicker?
have no, it likes to have double.
Oh. Oh. Wait, that's weird. Interesting. The walls dance. An enemy pops out underneath.
I actually figured it out without even looking at it. And yeah, there we go. That's probably it. Oops, I have to compile.
Let me see.
No, it actually made it worse. No, it's the same.
An enemy pops out underneath. Oh, it's just a mechanic now. Yeah, the trap falls.
Oh, because that has to continue on the big for loop. Just do.
Dude, this song is amazing. Aria Math. I see 418. I'm feeling it.
It's classic. There we go. I fixed it. And now enemies and objects can spawn in the same
Oh, that's pretty
spot. How fun. Same room.
Good.
Fully generated floor.
Oh, that's crazy. What?
It's great, yeah. It's so rare. Okay, the enemy count is a little large. I want to scale it up like per floor.
Yeah.
Like floor 10 is significantly more enemies than floor 1. But I'll do that balancing stuff later.
That's what I'm saying. I said I need to get it working. I'm taking a quick little fiver. I got a 5-minute timer over here. After that debug sesh, because my brain's really the lack of energy drink. I haven't had one in like 2 days.
You ever see those videos where it's like, this guy's coding without ChatGPT open? How is he doing that?
I think it's just a
I
lot
find
of
them so funny.
I think coding is just a lot of print statements. Saying, is this working? No. Is this working? Yes. Cool. And then being like, this probably isn't done right. Let me change it. Like, I know I've got to refactor one of these things. The get move function to be the chudbud and then grab the player chudbud.
Crank session from J Blow.
Is he doing one right now?
No, we're J Blow.
Oh, yeah.
Cosplay.
LARPers. J-Lo LARPers. Yeah, I don't think I want to go further in development until I refactor a couple things.
But the entire like map, everything is done, which is crazy to me. Unless I wanted to add like a merchant, like you were saying. But other than that, that's done.
That's good.
Yeah, no, I never thought that would be done.
Hmm.
And then I want to add different types of enemies, but the system allows it to be nice.
Oh, back hurts. Sitting too long.
I've been sitting like all day for a couple days, like molding to the chair. Back doesn't hurt.
That's crazy.
I don't understand. It's because I have a comfy chair. Oh, we have the same chair.
Yeah, mine's broken though.
Yeah.
Mine, the arm fell off, so I have to like sit.
Mine, the arm doesn't like stay anymore. It like goes down. That's because I lean on it all the time.
What was about to happen is there's about to be freaking laptop streams on the bed. I'll lay down in the bed and code.
Why is it so impossible to find an office chair that doesn't explode?
I don't know. I had one. It was really nice. They're just not built for like my build.
People above 150 pounds. Maybe that's why we need to lose 100 pounds, right?
Yeah, I'll stop eating protein.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop going to the gym. Stop eating protein. Only do cardio. Starve myself for 4 months. No, I'm not gonna make that joke. Allegedly take Adderall and stop eating.
Allegedly.
I don't worry, guys. I don't. That's not good. Hello.
Hello. How long have you been programming in C?
3 weeks.
Technically, I've taken an operating systems class. It didn't really go over too much C. We only got like some real coding at the end, so yeah, about like 6 weeks for me. But this is like my second big project in C, and this is his first big project in C, right?
Yeah.
I'm recreating Rogue. Pretty cool. Actually, I can show you this bug or system. I turned it off for debugging reasons. Sounds like a dungeon crawler. I think it's pretty cool. Unbiased, in my unbiased opinion. It's got item pickups. It's got enemies. Enemies I haven't fully implemented yet. They do spawn in and they're like separate.
Wow. Oh.
That's interesting.
Because you
Well,
decoupled it.
I might have decoupled. Okay, that is hilarious. That we discovered that one together. That was my first time using Fog of War in a long time. That is really funny. Okay.
And I'm making Pokemon.
Huh.
But
That was so funny.
chudbuds. That's what they're called. They're called chudbuds.
Chuddies. Okay. So Fog of War comes before enemy. That's really funny. It's good. Trying to get into lower level programming. Primarily C++. A lot of C++ people coming in the stream. Great language.
What do you
That's
do?
awesome.
What are you wanting to do in C++? Like game dev, like just hardware in general, cybersecurity. I'm curious.
I am currently working with OpenGL, hoping to eventually get good enough to where I can build a simple game engine with it. That's awesome.
You recommended recommendations of some books: Game Engine Architecture, Volume 1 and Volume 2, and the Game Engine Black Book.
We haven't read them yet.
Yeah, but I can recommend them. Like I've had some very smart people tell me to read those. It was maybe Billy. Yeah, I can tell you the author. Let me find him on Amazon. I got it saved right here. Jason Gregory. I'm putting the. And there's a volume 2 of that one as well. And then this one by Fabian. Both of those are really good reads from what I've heard. I haven't gotten the chance to read them yet because they're a bit pricey, but I heard the Kindle version isn't too bad. It's like $60 or something. So those are my next.
Kindle.
Those are my two next purchases. Just those $2. And then also, I don't know if you know GameMath.com. That helps a lot. I actually have been having a lot of fun might save up for them. Yeah, I heard they're really worth it. And GameMath.com is like really good for like game math principles.
Oh, Game F. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And
Also,
then Book of Shaders.
yeah,
I'm
I was
sure you
gonna
know.
say Book of Shaders as well. I was actually just typing the link.
Yeah, I've seen Book of Shaders a little bit. The website version. Yeah.
Yeah. The free version.
Is it physical copy too?
I think you can.
I don't know.
I think you can buy. There's like a way to buy. I know you can print it.
Huh.
That's all our free. That's all our free material on OpenGL and Image and stuff. That's the only, that's about it. That's about my knowledge right there. I don't know how far you are into C++ dev, but I can highly recommend the. I've started reading the C++ primer when going to bed. Um, it's pretty good. By Stanley Littman, Josie LaJoey, and Barbara Moo. It's about 900 pages, so it's going to take me a while to finish, but pretty good. Gives you a lot of resources.
Taco said he's been AFKing the streams for us. I get.
Taco's a king.
Okay.
I think I need to write like a pattern reader function that just loops through the pattern until it no longer exists. I see. Need a way to write X.
Okay, now I need to write a function to check for enemies. Could I just change my collision function to be a game? It's
Yeah,
only gonna be
probably.
like 2 functions. Huh?
Maybe I'm thinking about if it's only 2, it's probably worth. Wait, oh, your screen
Yeah.
disappeared.
Oh.
I forgot. I can only have half a screen up while your screen's up.
No, I'll keep it separate. Why not?
I'm going on mute for a bit. Fair warning to everyone. I'm thinking. I hid my camera. There is no chat interaction from me right now. It's your stream, Kami.
All right. I don't need to do that. How do you render / update the console? I use this screen.c. It's a little messy, not going to lie. But basically, in map, I generate a map. And then I get this data from map into screen.c. And I iterate, well, the map is stored in a 2D array, or yeah, 2D array. And then it iterates row by row. Here we can see the message on top, right here, and then the game screen. This is the border, left border, and then the content for the row. And then it does a switch case to render out the different colors. See, stair and door, same color. And then these are from colors.h, which is a big file with all the possible colors. And then right border, and then the bottom border. And then we have the UI right here. And this is all in the screen render. It gets the game state, and then it prints the appropriate state. So we have main menu. You can see that when we first launch the game, main menu, press spacebar, and then we get into the map. And we win real quick. Here's the end state, the win state. And then combat state I'm working on right now. So you render the entire again each time you move. Yeah. It's like only way I can do it. Yeah. It makes sure that if I'm gonna add the enemies moving too, so it makes sure that the enemies move as well. It's probably not the most optimal way to do it. But I'm a noob, so I don't know a better way. If it works, it works. It's true. So it's basically a giant printf. So I don't clear the screen every time though. It's very interesting. I go back to cursor home. So basically, it starts right here and then prints all the way across. It doesn't clear the entire screen every time, because if it did that, it would flicker really bad. So that's interesting. But if the console's too small, it freaks out. But I implemented R to clear your screen. So your screen gets messed up. It re-renders. I wondered about the flickering thing. So it's the actual clearing of the screen that causes that. Yeah, I think it's expensive for the console to clear and then reprint. So if you just use the same print buffer, I think it's less expensive. So you don't actually see the printing. Plus, it still has like the old stuff when it's printing too. So, you know, if like this part isn't rendered yet, you still have the old part, and it only takes like a fraction of a second. Before it would look really bad. Here, I can actually, let's see if I can recreate that. Yeah, I'll put system clear in the game loop. You'll see. Oh, I forgot to compile. Oops. Oops. Can the rooms only be that size? Yes. I haven't implemented different size rooms yet. Not sure if I'm going to. Makes the system a little bit complicated, but I did refactor the the map generation to have like less, so it's probably possible. I would have to rework the map generation for that. Oh, enemies. Oops. Huh. Double pointer. You can keep track of the position on the screen each pixel needs to render, and then just render 1 pixel each update. That way you're not rendering the entire thing again. That's just one way of doing it probably. Yeah, I was thinking that. That just sounds complicated. Damn, you're not using make? No. I didn't feel like learning it yet. I'm not sure how much C I'll do after this. But it's fun. This is kind of like my second decent sized project in C, so I'm kind of a noob still. Okay, just imagine that 100 times a second. And that's what it would look like. It was bad. Probably more than fine to print the entire screen again, but I doubt that would actually bottleneck. I agree. It's not like a huge program. If it made like an actual like huge problem, I would refactor. But honestly, I think it looks fine. As long as I'm not clearing every frame, it's not bad. Pretty responsive too. I know you can't like feel that through the screen, but if you hold it down, it doesn't like it that much. But it only renders on input too. So every input you put in is like a turn basically. But I have to implement the combat state. Have you tested how this looks on other terminals? I checked the Windows PowerShell. I think it looks pretty good. Here, I'll change my screen to be full view. think it looks better in the actual terminal. Let's see. See if you guys can see my screen if I change it. Yeah. Okay, there it is. We can take cutoff at the top. What do you mean? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I think it looks a lot better in like the actual terminal instead of I actually love how this looks so much. Pretty good either way. Thank you. Also, this is only like a 2-week project, so I'm not gonna go too deep into optimization probably. I just want to get something working for a video. What's your opinion, OC? I really enjoy it. Winners are fun. Even though I'm basically using a giant struct to basically pass a global variables, which I feel like is kind of cheating. What's up, Coco?
Oh, Bashir de Coco.
2 streams in one day.
Hello.
Made a lot of progress. Just have 4 hours of sleep and woke up to pray. It's awesome. I don't know about 4 hours sleep. Past 5 a.m. Oh my goodness. Waking up early. Yeah, it's still live streaming. Yeah, this is actually the second live stream. We took a little break.
I had to go to the gym.
Yeah, JB went to the gym and I sat in my chair and decomposed a little bit. Okay.
Parker, do I have any tips on C or C++ programming? Pointers. Okay, this is the way that I understand. I thought of pointers like Amazon delivery packages going to a house. You set them as a type, and then whenever you want to grab an address for the delivery, you just use the star, and then whenever you want to like find a specific address, whenever you want to find a specific address, you use an ampersand, and whenever you want to like get the memory or get the specific variable in the memory, you just use the star. Like the best way I could describe it. It's like one is like finding the address of a specific variable, and then one is like grabbing the one is like using the address, if that makes sense. Or using the home. It was somewhat enlightening. I want to do that. I want to write some an arena allocator. I heard that's really good practice for like garbage collection and stuff.
What's that? Arena bump allocator? What's that?
It is. I don't know. I think he should probably explain it. I feel like what I'm gonna say does not make sense, but
What about like an example int x pointer? Is that just way saying int is a pointer? So that'd be a pointer to an int, yeah. For instance, say a equals 5. 5 is initialized. And arena allocator is an allocator where you basically just store a bunch of blocks that are all the same size, and when you want the memory, you get an address and the offset and the current block. Oh, okay, cool. In this way, you can free all the memory used by the arena allocator by freeing all the allocated blocks, rather than the individual allocators made upon the arena. Okay. So we get a point that we use.
okay. So like I think I have a pretty good analogy. I thought of for pointers. I'm gonna go full screen for a second. Big camera. I'm still in the show. So like, let me go to my to-do list. Okay. So this, right, is like a pointer for something like HP, right? So, and this is essentially grabbing that pointer. Okay. So like when we're in the apartment, or like imagine like your code base as an apartment building. This like HP pointer lives on like floor 204 or something, right? This is essentially accessing that address of 204 in the apartment building. So if we were to say that like your HP starts at like 100, right? So HP equals 100. If we access the HP pointer, right? Like so, right? You can you find out where HP lives and then you make it to 50. And then now like basically this HP, right? This and sign, like just saying HP at 204, right? Now equals 50. So like the HP equals 50. So like you're basically saying like this is where I live, or this is where it lives as a variable. And then you can change that variable value, and then you just it's a way for it to talk to specific variables within your code base. I'll go back to small screen now. I don't know if that made sense, but that's how I got it basically. Well, actually the way that I got it was thinking about it as a baseball, but that was a way that I got it better. And what's up with Pokemon? I got the battle state working. I am working on. Have you tried Vim bindings? I want to do DMVim. You gotta stop. I'm gonna. Don't tempt me. I like wanna. I wanna install Arch and use NeoVim every day, but I know right now is not the time. And what's up with the Pokemon? We basically got the I'll show mine real quick. Um, we got like a little loop going, so like JB 100 1 yes, 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 yes. Yes, 2. We're gonna use 4, 4, 4, so that you see the health goes down. I'm at 55. He's at 30. 4, and then I can go and fight again and like that kind of stuff. We got like a loop going. It finishes. Finishes itself after 50 rounds. I use NeoVim right now and basically got into it because I saw the Primogen doing Vim magic and decided, dude, that's what I saw. I see the Primogen type and I'm like, honestly, it's the cursor in NeoVim. The way the cursor like bounces around the screen, it's kind of hypnotic. I'm not gonna lie. And I want to get a Kinesis keyboard so bad. Because I don't really game anymore. Like, the only games I play is pretty much solitaire. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mubashir Dekoko. I appreciate that. But yeah, I saw the Primogen use Vim, NeoVim, and I was like, oh man, I want to be like him. Primogen's probably one of my favorite content creators right now. I watch him a lot. I think him and Jonathan Blow. Those are the two people I watch a lot. And Casey Muratori. I've been watching all of Casey Muratori's talks. There's a lot of talks that I think are really good content. And Jonathan Blow is just really funny. What's up with Komi? Have you been able to make much progress?
Yes, actually, I did a lot of refactoring. Did I get the name right? Yes. The enemies are like an actual entity now, and they're not fake, and you can actually run into them.
Real programming
I'm not
kind
sure
of. Oh, go ahead.
I'm sorry. Not sure if you were for the message system, but that works now too. There's different floors and stuff like that, and there's like a win condition, so pretty cool. But
real programming.
The next one
kind of killed gaming for me, besides as a means to hang out with friends, because programming is just so much fun. It makes me feel productive. Factorio is an exception. Yes.
Yeah.
I actually have to, like, I cannot have Factorio installed on my computer. That or Balatro. I have a problem with Balatro as well. And Slay the Spire too. Yes, you did get the name right. Also. And yes, I don't like gaming that much anymore. I haven't played like a video game. Like, I mean, yesterday I played a video game for the first time in a while, but I haven't played like a big online game or even like an indie game in really 2 months before yesterday or 3 months before yesterday, since like the end of February. I just don't find it fun anymore. I love programming and game design. Game design's so much fun. Try using a do while loop so when it hits something, when you lose, it resets but didn't quit. Oh, okay. I hate games, honestly. I have played Satisfactory.
I'm curious about that one.
Yes, I love clean code horrible performance. That talk is so amazing. I want to react to it on stream. That talk is amazing. Like those yeah. I also really liked hold on, I'm gonna look it up. It's the talk where he talks about the witness's grass algorithm. Um, Simple code, high performance. I love that one as well. It's amazing. It's called Simple Code, High Performance. He talks about the witness's grass algorithm and how he essentially optimized it from taking like 20 seconds to load to like, I'm not going to spoil the amount of time. It's amazing. It's amazing what he does in that talk. And he like breaks down like algorithms and the math and the different noise generation techniques he used. And it was sick. I think he's one of the greatest materials, like resources on the internet for anyone trying to like learn deeper level programming. Handmade Hero is great. You know, I watched his like 5 days of C videos before I got started with C, um, as well as reading the book, the C Programming Language, second edition. But um, yeah, that guy's great. That guy's one of my favorite people to watch. And then I like watching John Blow a lot because he's funny. I've said that, but he really is funny. He will just say whatever he wants to say. And then Primogen I watch for entertainment. Yes, I know. The C++ documentary comes out on June 4th. I'm so excited.
Yes. That would be something to watch.
That might be a stream. That might be a stream watch party. I've been thinking about it. That might be a good one to watch on stream. I think we're slowly turning into like C++ bros.
Like, bros?
Bros?
You haven't even touched it.
No, bros. Like.
Oh, bros. Yeah.
Yeah, we're slowly being indoctrinated. Although I see Jai from Jonathan Blow, and I'm like, that's pretty sick. The stuff he does with the compiler. What is this? It's like they did like I forget the name of the people, but they did a it's by some documentary people. They're doing like a documentary on C++ with Bjorn, whatever his name is, the guy who made it. There's like all sorts of interviews about the like conception of it. C++ is pretty great. I'm not denying that. I think it's one of the most valuable languages to learn right now. True. I also think Rust seems cool, but it seems like a headache to do anything in. Yeah, that's the sentiment I get. Is it's not fun to write in, and it changes every 30 seconds. So, um, I don't know. I really am interested to see what Jai does. I've been seeing like how it like interpolates different errors and will fix source code. Like it'll fix your code if you want it. It has like meta programming, so it's like optional. I hate Rust honestly only because the shenanigans and the hype. Yeah, I think it is it's pretty over. It's overhyped. You can say that. Um, I think it's cool and it's a great way to learn low level stuff. I've never used it yet, but because well, actually, what was going to happen is we were going to learn, or I was going to learn Rust. That was like the original. And then I saw Primogen short on the thigh highs, and I said, I'm learning C. Plus, Tommy was already taking a course on C. Yeah, I don't think it'll ever do that. I think there's too much software written. Yeah, like there's too much written for Rust to ever fully take over C and C++. I think like you might see like more startups use it and stuff, but I don't think you'll ever. I think like the thing that Rust fixes is really just a skill issue, from what I understand. And for someone that's good at C, it's more of a headache to use Rust than C. But well, this isn't the first time C++ has been threatened. Yeah, I mean, I I don't think I don't think C++ will ever be. There's been two kinds of software. One that has been running for 50 years and one that breaks every 2 weeks. C has been working since forever. Rust devs have been clear they don't want to make the former. Yeah, I I, I I don't think there's a world where C just disappears or C plus like it's so until I want to do things that I know are completely safe, but the compiler is too stupid to know what is safe and it becomes yeah, that's C in a nutshell, right? Like or that's like the expression like C devs give in a nutshell is like it's frustrating for people that are like good at C and C++ because they're not they're not using they're not using like like the memory safe stuff's like it's really there as like training wheels or like guardrails. Yeah, I heard that Rust the hype been found to have bad memory management 2 days ago. Yeah, the Rust compiler is like That's real. Doesn't allow you to do your commands. Yeah, that's true. It really doesn't let you do anything. Down to you have one. You have one. I think it's really interesting how they do like variable like data management with like borrowing. It's interesting to me, but uh, you know, not for me. Like I don't know. True. Yeah. You guys are just trying to manipulate each other. It's like it's really funny. I like that. I like that analogy a lot. Uh, File new bad code. I just want C without a legacy of having to support architectures where it's not here. It's like not so apparent that yeah. I yeah. I agree with that. When I was using it recently, there was too many things that I wanted that weren't a thing. Built. Yeah, that's insane to me. They could just change so many things in like one day. Yeah, I actually had an argument with someone at like someone's like a like a friend's like family member came up to me and was like telling me that if I wanted to get into machine learning, I needed to learn like Python, and like it was like the way to get into the industry. And I said, do you like? I was like, do you know what you're talking about? Yeah. I understand. It was the I had to explain that to the friend. They did not understand that. Yeah, I agree. Just to let everyone know, we're ending in about 4 minutes. Getting pretty late.
Yeah. Hopefully I can get this combat system working. Well, fake combat system, it just kills the enemy instantly, but
I love C, C++ because it's competitive. It's not competitive. It's shown that Python took this to 60% of the world. Yeah, it's growing, but C++ C's this year plus is about 50%. Oh, I did not know that. I mean, I knew that Python was popular, but in my head, like you know, honestly, I think everyone can agree that anything is better than JavaScript. So, and that's where everybody comes together. People would actually.
That's the funny part.
Why did it delete the message?
Fuck.
The YouTube just auto modded Bayonelita or whatever. Yeah, just, like I think it was literally waifu. It just deleted the message.
Alright.
I've met people who think JavaScript is actually great. I've talked to, I don't know, it just like deleted the message or something. I don't know, but I've talked to people like that don't program, and they think JavaScript is bad. It's insane. All right, everybody. We're going to end it here. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Discord with the link below. We're going to try and be live as much as possible, probably tomorrow as well. So, see you guys all then.
Oh,
Oh,
wait.
no. Oh, I'm sorry, Elemental. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. But it's 1 a.m. So
Yeah.
can't wreck the sleep schedule. But you guys have a great night. Make sure you subscribe. We'll be live tomorrow. More game dev, probably more like programming tomorrow. Maybe
Yeah. We
maybe
ping the
we'll
Discord every time we go live,
yeah
too.
maybe we'll find a video to react to as well. So, bye everyone. Have a great night. Thank you for stopping by. We
Good night,
appreciate
guys.
it.